Hello, good morning, friends. How are you? Last 4 5 days, I have not created video and uploaded because I am busy on another work. So today onward, I am uploaded video and created video and uploaded YouTube. Now previously I created video without mic. So I think means voice is not clarity. So that's why I think I have to create video through the mic. So that's why I choose this one. So mm, means I learning spoken English. So I have to many challenges because in my environment all the peoples are Hindi, so always time every time in speaking in Hindi. So that's why thinking it's not better for me. So also I am creating video and uploading YouTube. So I have to in front of camera and watching and seeing and creating video. So it's benefit for me and also I uh, creating video and this one influencing means any types of mistakes are there. So in my friends, this one giving me suggestion through message, and that time I have to change and also this one any mistakes are there, so I can improve it, I can also change this one, update it. So all of means every time I am watching podcast and debates, this one is previously I spoken and also fetching anyone, so stuck sometimes. Nowadays stucking means little bit. So means I know means daily you have to created video and daily in front of camera, in front of mirror. So you have to watch and you have to you represent it. So you have to improve. So nowadays I have uh, means that the follow the rules and also any types of work. So you have to in watch a Messiah video. So also that time means analyzing means you have to improve anything. You have to improve in studies, spoken English, mean anything in business also. So it has to follow the 3D, means triple D. Means first one triple D means dedication, determination and discipline. Means you have to three of you have to achieve something and achieve more and more, and you can that time follow all the practices and all the scenario. So you have to achieve and you have to in the top level. So nowadays I am uploaded through the laptop because my mobile camera is not mobile camera is good, but here the old version of the mobile, so sometimes this one is stucking. So that's why I follow the through the laptop because something is means also laptop camera quality is not good, but now it's better, so you can also manage the video because it's not a uh, very bad, it's the good better, you can manage. So that's why I follow the ma- laptop camera and uploaded because here laptop camera clarity is also good and also clear voice is also capturing good. So that's why, and also you have to connect it through the Wi-Fi, so uploaded the video so easily. So that's why I follow. So all of my friends suggest me and also motivate me, and also nowadays how the improving spoken English, and also we have to suggest means now after after days, so which one I follow, so I have to improve fluently and speaking Pratedar English. So you have to suggest me means which word means nowadays I'm reading books, also newspaper, and also creating the video and watching podcast, and also so many things are there, and also I going to through going in the training center. So I every time also speaking in on my friends, so English only, but not a full day, and means in at home my environment is Hindi, and also speaking in at my home, so speaking in Hindi. So I am improving means also full day I have to speak in English, so that the benefit for me. But sometimes means some an hour means 1 hour 2 hours, that the I have to longer time to improve myself. So doesn't matter, I am improving, and also nowadays analyzing means my spoken English is not good, that's why I am not getting job. So because sometimes interviewer not your this one checking your technical skill, you means interviewer also checking your communication skills, because you have to go in the IT sector, so you have to improve and also represent all of the peoples. So that time you have to speaking and talking with in English only, and also you have to uh, client mean foreign client and foreign employer, foreign friends, colleague. So also you have to talk in English. So that's why communication skill is more important. Means you have you have not communication skills good, so you can't survive in the IT sector. So that's why nowadays and previously, so last 2 months I have to also improving my skills. That's why it is the best uh, also you have to improve, because you can't improve communication skills, you can't job, and you can't survive in the IT sectors and all over. And also I am staying in the Bangalore, so here I have to nothing change. So also so many times I am facing issue, means also go in the mall and go in the uh, any types of shop. So that time also means all the peoples know here the Kannada and English. So also I don't know Kannada. So also I have to option in the English speaking. So here I don't know English, and also I can't change in my communication skills in English. So also I can't survive. Means also so many times I am facing issue, and also so many garages means car shop, and so many all of the peoples know English very well, and also talking so means very good. So that's why I have to also improve my skills, because I can't improve myself, so I can't survive in the south region. So that's why I'm always time every time I'm creating video and uploading means also I have to know means nowadays and previous days means how the improving myself. So that's why I creating. So all of my friends previous video watch and now this one video you have to watch, means also you have to analyze, means I have to improving my skills, and nowadays I have to not talking so many times, means also nowadays speaking very well. So that's why you have to check my both, and this one comparison also suggest me. That's all. I am stop my conversation, and also uh, uh, giving me also and suggesting me, means all of my thanks, seeing my and watching my video. So all of my friends, thank you very good. So also suggest me, motivate me. I going to power top level. Thanks.